Hello students, let me give you a brief idea of the story. Please listen carefully, my dear students. The story, The Tree Spirit, is a folk tale. Now, what do we mean by folk tale? By folk tale, we mean a story related to any particular place, a group of people with a local touch of that particular time. This story, The Tree Spirit, is one said story about the king and the tree spirit. Once upon a time, a king wanted to build a grand and a beautiful palace for himself. But he wanted it to be supported by a single, tall and strong pillar. And he wanted that this tall pillar, it should be made of wood in the center. The king summoned his minister and ordered him to cut the biggest and the strongest tree from the forest. But the foresters which were sent by minister returned empty-handed. They told the minister that it was impossible to carry the huge tree from the forest to the city. The minister then sent them to the city parks to look for one such huge tree, as it was the king's order. One such tree was found, but a gentle spirit resided in that tree. What do you mean by spirit, by the way? Spirit is an imaginary creature such as a fairy. Fine? Now, the people requested the foresters to spare the tree, as it was the home of many creatures and a wise spirit. The king's men carried the order and requested the spirit to leave the tree within 7 days. The tree spirit decided to speak to the king itself. That particular night, it visited the king in his dream and requested him to spare the tree. The king was not ready to change his decision, as it was the only tree which can support king's new palace. The spirit was sad and asked king to cut it, then in 3 parts, starting with green part and ending with trunk. The king asked the spirit for such wish as it would mean to suffer more or thrice. The reason of this wish of spirit was to save the younger trees surrounding this tree. The king was touched by this thing. He thought, if a spirit can be so thoughtful about others, why can't be I? There and then he changed his decision to cut the tree and decided to make the column of his palace built with stones. Now this story leaves us with a message that one should not be selfish. We must always think of the well-being of others. Good will await us. So children, try to follow this message that this story conveys. Thank you. Take care. Have a nice day.